Little science experiments you can do with kitchen materials. The last one was shocked. Pour honey into the glass. Then colored water. Edible oil. The liquid in the cup is now clearly divided into 3 layers. Drop in the clamps. Then the grapes, bottle caps and ping pong balls. They're going to stay in each layer in order. Milk is drizzled with different colors of food coloring. Throw a cotton ball dipped in dishwashing liquid into it. A gorgeous rainbow of milk erupts. So beautiful. Put it in soda water. Bubbles released by violent tumbling can rise and fall in water with a handle. Add baking soda to the balloons. Pour white vinegar into a drink bottle. Put the balloon over the top of the bottle. Pull up the balloon. Let the soda fall into the bottle. The balloon was immediately puffed out. Another drink bottle with a straw attached to the side. After the seal, fill the bottle with peppermint water. Put the blown balloon over the mouth of the bottle. All the water in the bottle will flow out through the straw. The lighted note was dropped into the glass bottle. Put the boiled peeled egg in the mouth of the bottle. After a few seconds, the egg was sucked into the bottle. There is a mysterious force in the juice of the orange peel. It can sour balloons until they explode. The popular science hundreds of times. Why don't you try it out with your kids?